How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off dark mode on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Insta. After you've opened up your Insta, you'll need to head over to your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Let me go back here. Okay, so head over to your bottom right corner on your profile, and after you're here, tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on it and you should be on your settings and privacy. After you're here, scroll down and you should find accessibility under your app and media. Tap on accessibility, and after you tap on accessibility, you should get the option right here called dark mode right under captions. And after you find dark mode, tap on it and turn it off. Now if that does not work and if you don't find the dark mode option there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to actually turn off the dark mode on your device entirely. For that, swipe down from the top right corner and you should be on your control panel. Long press on your brightness option and then you'll see the dark mode on bottom left corner. Tap on it and it should turn off. Now you can go back to Insta and there you can see now it's on light mode again. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.